Ciao, it's lunchtime, and if like me you work from home and you fancy something slightly different and delicious, just watch this. I'm making a ciabatta pizza roll. It is going to be incredibly easy and very quick, and I'll start with a couple of tomatoes on the vine. These have just been washed, one per half. Go along and chop the tomatoes in small pieces, and as small as you like, really, entirely up to you. I like mine a bit chunky. Salt and pepper, some olive oil, some oregano. The marinade for my ciabatta pizza is nearly ready. I'm going to add a tiny little amount of balsamic vinegar. And I'm grating some mozzarella. This is mozzarella cheese for pizza, but also you can use some fresh mozzarella. The difference is that this is likely to be more cheesy and more creamy. And halving a few pitted olives. This is obviously optional. If you don't like olives, don't put them in. My last ingredient is ham. If you're vegetarian, skip it of course, and you will be making a margherita ciabatta pizza. Back to my ciabatta, I will be slicing in half first. And I'll pop this side under the grill, but I will leave this side for later. And after a couple of minutes, my ciabatta roll is nice and toasted on the outside, but still the same on the inside, although they're nice and warm. If you've been to a pizzeria in Italy, you might have observed that they always start with tomato, so I will do the same. And I will put a layer of tomato at the base of my ciabatta roll, including all of this lovely juice and the olive oil. And I will be adding the mozzarella next. Again, if you go to Italy and you watch how they make a pizza, mozzarella is always the second ingredient on top of the dough. And you might have gathered that I like a lot of it. Press it down with your hand so that it doesn't come off, and I'm adding a little ham next. Again, if you're vegetarian, obviously you can skip this step. Pat it down once again, and I'm adding my last ingredient, almost last ingredient. I will be putting some basil, but I'll do that at the end after it's cooked. And I'll go and pop them back under the grill next. And here they are, beautifully arranged on a nice Italian dish. I've also drizzled a little bit more olive oil and garnished with some fresh basil leaves. And let's try one. Very simple, very delicious, very Italian. Until next time, arrivederci. Ciao ciao, thank you.